WMF Peak 50, Cleaning Bean and Powder Hoppers. Switch off the machine and unplug the power cord. Please ensure that the device is always completely disconnected from the power supply. Now remove the lids from the product hoppers and remove the remaining coffee beans and, depending on the machine's configuration, the powder. Clean the bean hopper with a damp cloth. Please note, the cloth must not be too wet as no water must get into the grinder. Also, do not use any harsh cleaning agents. Now let the container dry completely. Next, fill the hoppers with fresh beans and, depending on the machine's configuration, add powder to the powder hopper. Now put the lids back on. Plug the power cord back in and turn on the machine. Your WMF Peak 50 is now ready to use again.